In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tabs in Notion. If you want to keep a Notion page clean, organized, and easy to navigate, using tabs is a simple and effective approach. This works especially well when you have different types of information that belong in the same general area, but you do not want everything piled onto one screen at once. Tabs can help separate notes, tasks, project details, or different database views so your workspace feels much more structured. To begin, open a Notion page or database. You can either start from an existing workspace that you already use or create a new page if you want to build this from scratch. The main goal here is to decide where you want your tabbed layout to live. Like, this could be a project page, a dashboard, a team workspace, or any section where multiple types of content need to stay together. Once you are in Notion, create or open the area where you want the tabs to appear. Think of this as the main container for everything that will be grouped together. It helps to choose a spot that already makes sense for the information you plan to organize, so the tabs feel natural and useful rather than random. Next, add different views or tabbed sections. In Notion, tabs are often created by using multiple views of a database or by setting up sections that let you switch between different content areas. This gives you a way to divide information without creating visual clutter. Instead of scrolling through one long page, you can move directly to the section you need. After that, name each tab based on what it shows. This part is important because clear names make the whole setup easier to use. Keep the labels short and descriptive, so at a glance, you know exactly what each tab contains. Good naming helps not only you, but also anyone else who may use the page later. Then add content, tasks, notes, or database views inside each tab. This is where the structure becomes useful. Each tab should hold the specific information that matches its label, which keeps everything grouped logically and makes updates much easier over time. When your tabs are set up, switch between them to view different information. This is how you quickly move from one category to another without leaving the page. It creates a smoother workflow and helps you stay focused on only what you need in that moment. Overall, using tabs in Notion is a great way to keep one page clean and organized. It reduces clutter, improves navigation, and makes your workspace feel more intentional and easier to manage.